marbles.
Okay.
See how? Yeah.
Hello. That like right off.
Houston, where's yours?
Right there.
Awesome.
Mine is the biggest one.
We're all stuck in here.
3 little kids come out once.
Yay!
Just for a second.
Okay.
3 big kids. Yay!
It floats.
Let's see Melody's.
Okay. I'll take mine out.
No, just leave it. You can fit 3 boats in there.
Yeah.
Yes, nice.
Yay!
Very simple.
Okay. I was like, if that just tips over right now, that would be so sad.
I bet hers is gonna win. You're gonna feel all terrible.
Probably. That's probably what's gonna happen. Okay. Who wants to go first? Mine is called Big and Chunky.
Big and chunky.
Big and chunky. Houston's boat's called Big and Chunky. Melody, put your boat
Can you think
in.
of a better name?
Melody. I can't get
Hey Zane, you have to let the bigger kids in. Okay. You guys can
tinfoil
watch.
and aluminum.
Wow.
That's the worst boat ever. No, that's what it literally says. See? Yeah, it's.
Aww.
Wait, we should say whose boat is whose.
Mine. I'm in the middle.
Ha.
Okay. Hey!
Hey.
Okay.
Wait, why am I in the middle? I'm
Hi.
the youngest.
Then you're in the middle.
Because that's why you're in the middle. They have to keep you safe. They're protecting you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
I'm applying pressure already.
All right,
Should we
Jared,
make
Now
it
mine's in the middle.
why don't you give everybody a handful of marbles so they can just start, like, you know, getting
Just
ready
give us a handful.
Can I have
Give
some
me a
more?
small handful,
Sure.
please. Small handful.
Okay.
Yay!
The first marble ever.
Let's open it.
Wait, not
What
yet.
if you all put them?
Oh.
Well, that's
Marble.
thank you, Zane.
What if you all put them in at the same time?
Yep.
Yeah,
That's
just-
the idea.
Do that.
Okay. 3,
I can't get over there.
2,
Too bad.
1. Okay, not really. Let's all put 2 marbles.
You're all rude.
Okay, hold on. Okay, you can get in now.
My boat's not
Okay,
I
I'll be in the middle. Okay.
I bet yours is gonna sink.
Yes?
Oh, thank you.
That's a lot of marbles.
Use this one. Use this one.
I gotta use the big ones.
Does everybody...
Replace
Are there
this.
3 big ones? We can have everyone have a big one, just to see. Actually, let's not have a big one. Okay, let's just go.
Would you like to replace this?
No, I would not.
For 2 marbles.
I put a marble on my boat.
I
No.
think you might want to start with more than one.
Toes.
Hey.
Hey, Zane.
I'm just gonna put in 2. Let's put in 2, like...
I like these marbles.
A few moments later.
71. 72.
Stop it.
76.
Oh my gosh, there's too much weight on one side.
75. 76. 77. 78.
There is
40. Videotaping because I think I'm gonna get
Oh my god, no.
Well, you
Oh,
Whoa.
videotaping.
I was.
How many did you have, Zoe?
I wasn't counting.
Well, everybody else stop a minute so that Zoe can count
Oh
the
wow,
ones
I
that
found all your marbles.
So here, I'll give you a cup.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hold mine still.
Oh my god, that is cold.
I
Well,
feel
that's
like maybe mine is gonna tip and totally destroy Melody's. Oh wow, thank you for adding weight. Oh no! Mine is deteriorating! Why would you do this? Do you want to go on that side or should I go on that side?
You go on that side.
Okay.
You're skinnier.
It's like sail the boat.
Sail it's made in flight and it's most
I
likely
feel like I should
no, it is going to be its last flight.
Sabotage.
You just have to start finding little places to put your marbles where they won't fall off.
88. Okay, that's good. 89.
I just like dropping in handfuls because I do not know.
90. Oh, 91.
Zane.
Zane, stay in one
Oh,
place.
that
for a
didn't
while.
count, right?
50. That did not.
First
It
thing at the
didn't.
beginning. That did not count. I probably 111. No!
Nope, twice as dead.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, mine didn't sink, so it
Whoa,
hasn't
whoa, whoa.
deteriorated entirely. Okay, so for the first round, we have me. I had 111. Melody had 228. I think 29. And Zoe had 94. Yes. So yeah. Now we're going to make one modification. You can make one modification. So.
Oh my god.
Yeah. So this is. We'll come back when it's ready.
Go grab the marble cup. Oh. Marble.
Okay, I'm probably gonna go like this. Okay, I'm gonna scoop this over here. This right here.
Okay.
Okay, I need marbles.
Yeah, we need marbles.
I don't have any marbles. Okay, so
That would be a sufficient boat.
okay. Come on, guys, let's just start.
Zane. One marble in.
Okay.
So I am now one. Does a giant marble? How much did the giant marble count in?
3.
Okay.
3?
1, 4, 5.
Oh, okay, thanks.
6, 7.
Is this Melody's jar? No, I just dumped all the marbles.
10, 11, 13, 14.
Stop roasting good blind marbles.
20, 21, 22, 23.
It's so loud. No, thanks.
Hey Zane, you need to not.
I need more marbles. Seriously?
Oh my gosh. Oh, that. Was magnificent. I have to go over first. Oh,
Get
that
the whole thing.
stunk. Okay. It is going.
47, 48.
Like how I'm only aiming on. It's
49, 50, 51, 52.
Okay, so.
53, 54, 55, 56.
A few moments later.
Might want to move yours apart.
21, 22, 23.
Oh! I do. I want to watch mine too. Okay.
Yeah, I lost count, so.
You are not done yet. Yours has not sunk.
But I still lost count. I have a lot, don't I?
Well, I'm pretty sure you have more than mine. Which sunk within the first 20 seconds.
Are you recording this?
I am indeed.
Oh, wow.
Look how close it was.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I can. No! It went down! Oh, the bubbles are going to be beautiful.
Oh, wow.
Okay, so what was your score on the second round?
100 something.
What was yours?
205.
Okay, and mine was 60.
Something.
No, 68. Yeah.
Yeah, 68.
So, Melody definitely won that.
I won both rounds.
You won both rounds by more than 100.
But she technically didn't make it.
Yeah, well, mine was terrible. Mine sunk immediately.
Yours looked like you actually spent time with it.
I did spend time.
The
The first time, I was in second place.
problem with the second one was it wasn't perfectly set.
It was very heavy, yeah. So, yeah. Bye.
Also,